Hey guys, it is your friend. Perfect! Pizza6 here, and welcome to a new thing I'm doing called Life Stories. Now, this is the most hilarious thing ever that you'll ever hear. I'm not kidding. Okay, so I was preschool. I've always wanted to tell this story on some local place. I was in preschool. It was about, like, I don't know, somewhat, I might have been like 3 or 4 or so. I don't know, but anyway, I'll just wait for the gameplay. So yeah, this is gonna be a really, really funny story. This is a new series I created. I didn't create it, but this is a new series I'm doing, and hopefully you guys enjoy this series. So, come on guys, you gotta get on with the gameplay here. Get on with the gameplay here. I mean, it's alright though. You don't have to. Yes, you do. Okay, so, so I was in preschool. I was either 3 or 4 or 2, something like that. I don't know, probably 3, because this is the most irresponsible story ever. Oh my god. What? Oh.
Execute authority.
Thought you meant something else. Oh. So, I'm gonna start off this life story here in preschool. It was a nice summer day. No. it was actually even worse. I didn't know he was behind me. He was running at me. Okay. So, we had a container of fish, and they were like our pet fish, and we would just feed them, and I think we would take turns and feed them. I can't remember, but I just remember this story because my best friend, my next door neighbor, reminded me of the story because we went to the same preschool, and so it was really funny. Now it's funny. Probably back then the teachers were probably yelling at us, yelling at me. So I put Play-Doh in the fish tank. And then the next day, the fish are dead. Dead. That's not how you spell that, Shane. They were dead. Bambi. And so, yeah, all the fish died the next day, and I'm just like, and it was green Play-Doh, and I bet you the teachers were yelling at me and stuff, and it was funny. That's actually funny if you think about it. It wasn't funny at the time, but now it's just funniest thing to talk about. I can't believe I put Play-Doh in a fish tank. A fish tank! So yeah, that was my life story. That's going to be the first one. I'm going to have more life stories here. Maybe funny, maybe sad, maybe silly. I don't know. But this one was more on the silly and funny side. Why would I put Play-Doh in a fish tank now? Jesus. So thanks everyone for watching. I'll keep on going with the gameplay, but let's just see. Oh, just got that kill in time. That's pretty good, Jane.
Be advised, your equipment has
You suck, EMP.
Hostiles have destroyed your equipment.
Oh my god.
drone inbound. Be advised, hostile care package inbound.
Woo, guys.
Above. Be advised, hostile counter UAV is online. Hostile hunter-killer drone inbound. Be advised, hostile care package inbound.